Hi. It's just like hi. Okay. Oh gosh. Jessica, you have to come out here.
No,
you can't like pop out and be like, okay, fine. Oh gosh, this is weird.
Okay, fine.
Okay. You could just be in the background doing your thing. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have one of my subscribers here, Jessica, and she's also a patron, but she came over to have brunch and I enlisted her help in painting this vanity or dressing table, as we like to call them. My mom got this for me when we went antique shopping, and I really did not like the color. It's kind of a grayish purple color, and I was a bit disappointed when I got it in my room, just because I like more of an antique white kind of color, or even a white would be fine. So anyway, I went to a store here called Bloom, and I found some paint. It's chalk paint. This is by Annie Sloan, and this was highly recommended. This is in the original. It's kind of like a off-white color, and so we are just going to be painting this, which the people that painted this and redid this, it has like a lacquer, what would you call it? A gloss over it. So it's pretty shiny, but what we're going to do on top of this chalk paint is put a wax seal, right? Wax seal over the top. So I just thought that, you know, maybe you'd all like to see us do this together. We put some newspaper on the ground, and we're just going to paint it here in my bedroom. So let me take you around, show you what the front looks like, and this is definitely an upgrade from my previous dressing. Jessica.
Inside out. Not even. Okay.
Yes, she's wearing an apron. I got her an apron here. She is going to be helping me because she's an expert at painting, especially using this kind of paint. So let's see here. This is the way the front looks. I know I'm against the sun here, but it's just beautiful. I love the detail, and it came with drawers, which are over there. They didn't paint the drawers. They left them the original dark brown color, and it's pretty, and I like the knobs, but I would like it to be all one color. So that's what we're going to work on here. All right, let's get to work.
So this comes from the UK, this paint. So it's the best of the best. This is the original chalk paint.
Load it more in your brush. Yeah, we have to do 2 coats.
Okay.
See how you're dripping here?
Ew.
Okay. I want it to drippy.
Jessica's gonna want to do all of it for me.
Yeah.
After she sees me.
Yeah, I don't like this.
You better I don't like this. Where's
I can put wood here much better. Okay. Do you want to use the nicer one?
No.
Okay. So yeah, don't worry about perfection. Just don't want puddles, because
Then they dry.
yeah, it looks weird, but it's, don't even, I watched all this ladies like tutorials and
wallpaper right here. Jessica let me have a sample piece, and she used this in her bedroom and in her laundry room, and it's so pretty. And so I thought, well, that would be really great to have on the inside of the drawers, you know, something pretty to look at when you open up a drawer. So I had just about enough. This one is a little bit pieced together for now, but she said she would give me a little more. So now she's just putting on the top coat, and I think that it will make it pretty shiny, but I think that the gilding turned out really, really great. I love the way that it looks. Very happy with it. And that just brought out all the detail on this piece. And also makes it look a little bit more antique. So Jessica just left. We just got done cleaning up the whole deal here. And I'm going to reveal what it looks like. So we still have plenty of cleanup to do right here on the mirror. We'll just take a razor blade to that. Maybe Jorge will do that for me once he gets home. I don't know where the razor blades are right now. But I really love the way this turned out, especially by gilding it. It just looks so much better. It really brought out the detail. And I'm just so pleased with the way that this turned out. So now that I know that I can do this little project here, I'm going to be on the hunt for different pieces that just have beautiful, beautiful detail to them that you can really bring out by painting it and updating the piece. I'm more one that loves to have a painted piece even over the natural wood, but that's just me. I know everybody's different. I hope that you enjoyed seeing this little project, and it's just, I'm going to be getting into putting all my makeup away and dressing this table up nicely. And once I do that, then I will do a vanity, or I call it a dressing table. Vanities are more, you know, what you have in the bathroom, but I am going to show you a dressing table tour as soon as I get everything the way that I'd like it, and that's about it. So thank you so much for being here with us today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye, everyone.